Okay, I just want to make I want to code. Okay, let's try. Let me read problems. Create a function that return only string with unique character. Okay. Okay. You create string. This is gonna unique character. What we do here? We have arrays, right? We have arrays here. Let me test the other test. Let's say unique character. Okay. Okay. This one choose print out ABC because they are unique character. The first one is ABV. It means they have other B, so it's not gonna print this out. I think what is I'm going to do here, I can iterate to each array, and then inside arrays we have like string, right? So we're going to iterate inside each string to check, and then if it found the same character, we will add to 1 because we're not gonna count other, right? Let's say the first string we have A, B, V, so it means we get A, we will count to 1, and another one B, we will count to 1, and then we found B again, we're not gonna count. So it means we have A and B, right? No, sorry. I mean, we're gonna count again. So we find A 1 and B 2. So it means they don't really have unique character because they have another B, right? And then the second one should print itself because it's unique, because A, B, C is only one character. So any character here, letter, if we found more than one, it means they didn't unique. They have other things. So we're gonna print it out only with only one. It's not gonna have other. So what I'm doing here, let me show you guys another way. That is what I thought we're gonna do. So, and then my pseudo code gonna be I'm gonna use iterate through array, and I'm going to use using filter because you iterate through array on each element, and gonna using filter method. That's what I'm gonna do. And then inside filter method, we get each string, right? So in each string, we have the other one to check if each character is the same length as it. So I'm gonna use like the method new set. That's new set gonna return this out, and then we check each length. So what I'm putting here, not just return, I mean declare, okay, declare variable unique and assign to new set, and then we're going to pass in element here, and then we're gonna check if length of unique is equal to length of element, and then we're going to return unique. That's the other way I will do. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to code this now. So I'm going to return an array.filters and pass element here. Filter is the callback function. So I'm going to declare variable unique. And set it aside to new set and passing element here. And say that length, and then it is equal to element.length, right? And return unique. Okay, other way I can do is just return if you not need to declare variable. I think it should work too. Okay. 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 Let's run code now with the first example. Okay, it's print this out. Okay, sorry. Let's just say size, not the length. Okay, it's check size with the size. Check of length. It could say size, right? Size of unique is equal to length of element, and then we're gonna run this up. Okay, that should work. The other one should work too. Okay, so that we get unique correct in here. Okay, another way we can do result set, but this one is more easy way. And then if you understand about how to use set, it's gonna be helpful for you. But another way what I'm gonna do here is kind of like this one, but let me write through the code here. Okay, so iterate to array for sure using a filter, and inside I'm gonna declare cache variable cache object, just assign to empty object, and inside that we're gonna check this element, right? Check if cache is undefined. We're going to do something. Check if each cache is undefined. We're going to, one second, specify. So we check each cache. We're going to, okay. Okay, one second. The cache is element. So we have element here using filter. So is element will be current element. So will be string, right? String element will be string of current element. So here we're gonna check on each element and add it to new key in cache. So at first we should get cache and undefined, right? If cache is undefined, we're going to use for of. If we're going to use for of to check element is passed in the filter function, and okay, use for of to check element. So we're gonna use for of to check is element if cache undefined assign key to cat that key to cat, and then we're going key and then assign key to cat, right? And value will as value is 1. Otherwise we just return cat key. So that's gonna get 1. And then outside we then if we already get cat, right, we're gonna check other for loop. Use it for no, not for loop. We're gonna use it for in cache if cache had key, right? Key value more than one, we going to return false. Otherwise, outside, we're gonna return true. Okay, something like that. Let me check it out. What I'm gonna do here. Okay, I'm going to use the filter by I'm already used right on pseudocode. So return, just return filter because filter array of filter is create new array. So let me just return it because our output's gonna be array, so right? So inside here, I'm going to create the cast object with empty object, and yep, and then I'm going to check if cast is undefined, yeah, because it's the first will be undefined, right? Let me see here. Okay, and inside undefined, we're going to use a for loop for off. So let me check. Let key of cast. So now gonna be undefined. Nothing happened, but we're gonna assign that to them. Okay. Okay. As cast is undefined, we're going to check if cast key is undefined, and we gonna assign key to 1. So now if we log this out to see the value of cast, I think it should have key 1. Okay, cast with the word key, right? Let me run it. It should have 1 letter. Okay, let me check for sure if it works. I'm not sure. It should still be undefined, and then it's not stock catch out. Why is not the log console log out catch out? It should print cat with the new key. If cat is undefined, yeah, because cat is undefined. If key in cat. Okay. Oh, sorry, I think I missed it. It should be this one, right? Oh, not yet. Okay, then let me try to work this out. What happened here? Cast, of course. Let me log cast to see outside of if. Should be empty string. Empty object, it means not undefined. That's why it doesn't work. Okay. Okay, here. C is quite difficult to find the work like each element by without set, right? But I just want to solve a problem how I can fix in another normal ways by without set. So let me try to do it here. Okay, I think I missed something here. So okay, check if it is undefined empty object. Okay, I think the one I missed is that I need to use for it to check. Yeah, is it right? It's error. So okay, so that's it. Think I make something wrong here. So we use the for letter. I think I just gonna get letter of L. Okay, that we will get. And then inside them, we're gonna check if cat is undefined. Okay, that letter. Okay, yeah, of course now it should be undefined. And then if undefined, we're going to add letter to 1. So that it should be undefined. So let me console log to see was it can have a value or not. Sorry, it's just missing something. Okay, now cas have value is 1 now. And if have undefined, we're gonna add 1 to it, and otherwise, LSA, we're going to just okay, I'm not sure about here. 1 second. Okay, for we already have cash. Set it to 1. If have, otherwise just reassign. No, okay, right? As if they have, okay. If they don't have any value in this, we're gonna add 1 to value to catch key letter. And if already have, right, we not gonna do anything, right? We just not need to add anything to it. And then now we have cache with is key value pair. So we're going to check using for because cache is object, we can use the let key in cache, right? And then we check here if cache key is more than 1, right? That's what I'm doing here. Use for in. Okay, more than 1. We're going to return false. Oh, and otherwise, outside of for loop, we're going to return true. Okay, it means if already have 1, then return is 4, and then we return true. True gonna check, and then add it each time. Okay, I think oh my code it should work. Let me run the code. Okay, it doesn't work. Yeah, what has happened here? Okay, 1 second. Let me try to work it out. Okay, I think let me try. He's like, okay, cache later add 1 to it and then not the other one. Okay, I missed something. I think on else statement. This is should be wrong because we not add any number here, right? So they're not gonna count how is that. So we should add to 1 and then if cache is greater than 4. Okay, if cache is undefined assign key. Okay, value 1 help increment cache value, cache value by 1. So that's we add 1 to it. Increment each time we run and increment. Okay, let me run the code. Oh, still not working. What happened? Here key is 1 and then we return true 4. Okay, still not working. I think it's my idea should work. Let me work it out 1 second. Okay, guys, sorry. It's just like missing something. I tried to record my video and then I just like, what happened? You know? Okay, that is double. What is that? Hi guys, sorry. I tried to work this out. What happened? Sorry, it's missing some like placing on Zoom. It's like, what time? Oh, okay. So, okay. I think I see where I forget to return. That's why they never return for. like, okay, let's run the code. Okay, it's working now. Okay, this is hard, if you learn to find to use like this method on JavaScript, it's gonna be helpful for you. But then if you work like this, it's just like hard long list. Okay, I think I'm going to work in the other way with the same problem here. Try to work out how to do like object, work with object and key, something. Okay, thank you for today to watching my video. I hope I see you in next time. Bye bye.